Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video we are going to see how we can install the nodejs in our system and run a simple program of hello world. So if you are new here, please consider subscribing, and with this we'll start the video. Yes, to install the nodejs, you can head to the nodejs.org, or you can just search nodejs and you can see this first link. Click here and you will get here. Okay, and you can see here download nodejs latest LTS. Okay, if you click, once you click here, you will be able to see nodejs.msi is installed. Okay, and once it is done, you have to simply open it and just do the setup. Okay, it's very simple. I have already done it. You just need to click next and install it, and it will be installed. Okay, how to verify if it is installed or not? Okay, that's the first thing. So what you can do is you can open a terminal. Okay, and simply run command as node hyphen hyphen version. Okay, and if you are not able to see the version coming up here, you might have to go to the wherever the nodejs is installed and put that into the environment variables, and it will be installed. Okay, so with this we conclude how we can install the nodejs. Now let's see how we can run a simple program. Okay, so here you can see I have created this nodejs folder in the playground folder, which is in our git. So let me create file as first file. Okay, first program I'll say .js. Okay, it will be extension of JS only, and here we can simply write console.log hello world. Okay, and simply save it. Let's go to the terminal again. I'm using shortcut Control J. Okay, and write the command node space first program.js. Okay, and it will run the node.js in our system. Okay, and to show you guys it is not running in the browser, what I'll do is I'll going to put window object here. Okay, so if we go into the browser, let's suppose here, if I open console here, you can see if I do console.log window, it's showing me this object. Okay, this is the window object we have, but when it runs, when the node.js is running inside the our system, okay, at that time this window object doesn't exist. Okay, so if I run it now, you will see window is not defined, so it is treating this window as a variable, not as an window object, which generally we will have inside the browser. Okay, so it means it is exactly compiling this JavaScript code into the C like machine code and running into our system. Okay, so with this we conclude our node.js installation and running the hello world program.